Hi, my name is Rosie Gill and I'm the Director of Education at Milk Street, and this is Milk Street at Home. Hey guys, the 20-minute dinner is possible, but do you know what's better? The really good 20-minute dinner is very possible. You just need to follow two guidelines. If you remember to pair really bold flavors like sweet and sour, bitter and salty, and make sure that your food has contrasting textures, then no matter how quickly you're moving, as you pull things out of your pantry, get things out of your veggie drawer, you can make something really, really good. You just need to remember bold flavors and contrasting textures. I'm gonna show you how to do this with a one-pot pasta because yes, you can have a 20-minute dinner on the table. That's awesome. And it's pasta and it's only one pot. But really, the bold flavors, contrasting textures motto would work with almost any kind of dish that you're trying to throw together quickly. So first, you want to heat 3 tablespoons of olive oil until it's shimmering. That's important. You don't want it smoking because we're going to put garlic in, and garlic burns quickly, so do red pepper flakes. Once the oil's warm, but not hot, add the 4 sliced garlic cloves and the ½ teaspoon of red pepper flakes. If you like more heat, bring it up. If you like less heat, dial it down. You could also add in more spices here if you like. Fennel seeds would be awesome, a little caraway, but keeping it simple with red pepper flakes is perfect. Once that's fragrant, which really will only take 30 seconds, a nice way to protect the garlic from burning is to tilt your pan and let the oil pool and then have the garlic more or less swim in there. There's a lot more oil enrobing and protecting the garlic so that it will brown, but it's not going to burn. Again, once that's fragrant, you're going to add 28 ounces of diced canned tomatoes. This is about 3 cups, so if you want to dice and juice your own tomatoes, you're more than welcome to do that. But 2 cans of diced tomatoes does the trick. To the tomatoes, you want to add 1 teaspoon of salt and ½ teaspoon of fresh ground black pepper. Also add 3 cups of water and the pasta. You haven't even brought it to a boil yet. Stir this to coat everything. Now bring it to a boil and cook the pasta until it's al dente, sort of stirring occasionally to make sure nothing's sticking on the bottom, and especially to make sure that the pasta is not sticking together. Once the pasta is al dente, remove it from the heat. Now stir in 1 cup of fresh, torn if they're big, basil leaves. And the 1 cup or 2 ounces of finely grated Pecorino Romano cheese. Once that's done, plate it. And once you've plated it, each plate should get some more basil leaves and an extra drizzle of olive oil. All right, you saw how easy that was. The technique was nothing particularly special. We browned garlic in olive oil, bloomed our red chili flakes in there. We cooked pasta al dente. We finished with cheese and oil. Again, very normal techniques. It's just the order of operations and the boldness of the ingredients. They were few and we used a lot of them. A cup of basil, a whole cup of Pecorino Romano, choosing Pecorino Romano for its assertive personality in the first place, red chili flakes to add a little heat and some brightness. So see, once you keep a few guidelines in mind, you're going to be reaching for the right ingredients, reaching for fewer of them, using them well, and dinner is on the table in 20 minutes, and it's a really good dinner too.